RealWealth Real Estate Investment App Review, Usage Experience. Links to RealWealth and related resources can be found in the description below. RealWealth is a real estate investment platform designed for individuals seeking to build wealth through income-producing rental properties. With its educational resources, vetted property network, and focus on helping investors achieve financial freedom, RealWealth stands out as a comprehensive solution for both new and experienced real estate investors. One of the standout features of RealWealth is its focus on turnkey rental properties. The platform connects investors with pre-screened properties in high-growth markets across the United States. These properties are typically already tenanted, professionally managed, and generating cash flow, making them ideal for investors looking for a hands-off investment experience. RealWealth offers extensive educational resources and guidance, including webinars, market reports, and one-on-one strategy sessions. This makes it an excellent option for beginners who want to understand the ins and outs of real estate investing while building a portfolio. The platform's focus on financial education sets it apart from many other investment platforms. Another key advantage is its network of vetted property providers. RealWealth partners with experienced turnkey providers who ensure the properties are in good condition, located in strong rental markets, and capable of delivering consistent returns. This saves investors time and effort in finding reliable investment opportunities. RealWealth also provides personalized support through its investment counselors. They work with you to create a tailored investment plan based on your financial goals and risk tolerance. This hands-on approach ensures that investors feel confident and supported throughout their real estate journey. While RealWealth simplifies the property selection process, it's important to note that investors need to secure their own financing and directly own the properties. This means a more involved commitment compared to purely passive real estate investments like REITs. In conclusion, RealWealth is an excellent platform for individuals looking to invest in turnkey rental properties with professional support and a focus on long-term wealth building. Its educational tools, vetted property network, and personalized guidance make it a top choice for anyone serious about real estate investing. Check the links in the description to explore RealWealth and see if it aligns with your investment goals. This review should provide clarity on whether RealWealth is the right platform for your journey to financial independence.